Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. The provision in this bill is that the President shall decide in consultation with the Chief Justice. The judge in the dispute between the executive and a judge will be the head of the state, will be the head of the executive, and the Chief Justice comes in as a consultant. Now, this question of age is what we call a justiciable question. It is like the question of misbehavior or the question of incapacity of a judge. In other words, this is a question which will depend upon the determination of a dispute on an appraisement of evidence produced before the person deciding. Therefore, it is like a question of misbehavior or incapacity of a judge. Now, since the year 1700 in England, there have been three principles recognized which have not been departed from in any civilized country, and in particular in any democracy, and which assure the independence of the judiciary, and it is acknowledged on all hands that the independence of the judiciary is an essential condition of democracy. Now, this has been incorporated in our constitution in Article 124, and if we bear in mind the constitutional history of the appointment of judges, we will find that in cases where Parliament is functioning, it is only after a judicial determination by Parliament on this question of misbehavior or incapacity in the presence of the judge that a formal order would be passed by the head of the state. Nowhere has the head of a state acted as a judge in person. The Constitution has entrusted the question of the decision of disputes between a private party and the state to the judiciary, and the question then arises whether this bill has departed from this principle. If this bill has departed from this principle, then an inconsistency has been introduced, and while in Article 124 the question of a justiciable issue or a dispute has been assigned to Parliament, the question of age, which stands on the same footing as a question of incapacity because it is a dispute with regard to the tenure, has been assigned to the executive para. Now, this is a matter which deserves serious consideration. This is what the public outside say. Since 1700, any dispute regarding the tenure of a judge has never been decided by the executive. Shall we be the first to depart from that principle when we had no parliament in this country? It was the judges who decided a question between a judge and the state. When Parliament came into existence, we adopted the principle of the British Constitution. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए. थैंक यू.